Oh my god.
Crack it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm KitKat and today we're gonna play Planetcoaster. I actually haven't played this game all that much. Okay, let's go with this one. That looks really good. How are we gonna call it? Kitties and cats. Start anew. There we are. Ah, you guys also enjoying the view or what? How did I do again? Maybe I need to build a road first. How do I build a road again? Oh, this looks perfect. Where did the music go? You leave? Stop. Thank you. Leave. I know how to do this. How did I rotate again? Place entrance. Let's do that here. And place an exit? Yes, there we go. I've played Rollercoaster Tycoon 3. And... connecting. Yeah, that looks nice. We need more rides. Place you here. There we go. Open. ATMs. Oh, we need a lot of those. Who's screaming at me? Oh god. No wait, I didn't mean to do that. Cancel. No, not everything. They're actually talking. A language I don't understand. Oh. Well. Stop screaming at me. Oh, I did it wrong again. There, this is what I'm supposed to do. Some food, I think. Where am I gonna place this? Oh, it's an entire market. No, I'm not ending in that soundtrack, alright? That is this. I want just the creepiest shit here. What is that? Doesn't that look amazing? It's not a specific theme here. Wait, can I just make this very expensive? $6 for a ride in this thing? Why would you pay $6 to go in this? Why would you even pay to go in this? You would have to pay me to go in this. Ah, there we go. Get a lot of janitors in here. Security. Defender. Do we need these? Aren't these already in here? Yeah, they are. What do I need you for? You have zero use here. Fire. Should I build a coaster? I want to make my own. Ah, there we go. This looks good. This has to be the most terrifying thing ever. How's this going? Let's do a quick test. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll just leave that there. Okay, hold on. Let's just try it again. It only takes about like a day till you get up there, but that's okay. Nice. That's fine. We'll manage. Let's place an entrance, right? So we're definitely gonna open this one. $8. I think that's a lot less than your funeral. So come in. Okay, let's build actually also a regular that I didn't build myself because I'm gonna kill people with that. There. I mean, I doubt this would be as popular as my murderer. Oh my god, what was that? Oops. So do I even have some sort of staff or what? Look at that. What even is it? What are you supposed to do there? What is in here? Nothing. What are people doing in here? Just sitting, staring at the wall? First aid. Maybe that's kind of handy. Or maybe we should place it next to my roller coaster of death. If people almost die in there, they can maybe patch themselves up if they, you know, manage to survive. Can I actually go in it? Wait. Right camera. Yeah, go. Can we ride? Dude, can you turn it on? I want to see. Ooh. Yeah, this only takes 6 billion years. So how was your day? I think we're slowly getting there. Oh my god, and we're upside down. Holy shit. Oh, that was fun. Let's go out of that. I also want to go in this one, actually. Hey girl, you want to sit with me? Where's the girl? Why am I on the ground? Oh, I'm actually in someone. I am the girl. Oh my god, that would be so terrifying. I'll be very honest with you, I am extremely terrified of roller coasters. Well, that was amazing. This seems amazing. Let's go in here. Yeah, that looks good. Are people actually like going in here or what? Well, no one comes in here anyway, so we better just, you know, let it ride so we can act like people are in there, so more people might come in. But I mean, from this distance, they can't tell if that is... It kills you, right? Because that one looks... Yeah, okay, never mind. We made a profit. How can people survive that? How do people get in here and get out like that? Told you the hospital next to me was a good idea. That's why they're so happy. So, we're gonna leave that here. If you like the episode, then be sure to smash that like button. And if you like the video, then maybe also wanna subscribe. And if you're subscribed, then maybe turn on the bell so you can actually get notified if I upload more like Planetcoaster or anything else. Other than that, thanks for watching and see you later. Bye bye!